What makes a good brand video? Let's find out.
It's got to resonate with your audience.
It has to be interesting.
And on brief.
It's got to be on time.
It should have awesome music.
Nah, not like that. Yeah, that's more like it.
What's the budget for this?
And it definitely needs a compelling script. In a world where many brands exist, but few survive.
Oh, I like that.
I need a coffee.
And it needs a unique perspective.
And of course, beyond brand.
Ooh, let's have some fun animations. Maybe like here and here.
It needs good playback. Weird. Look into that.
Gotta have good composition. Perfect.
It needs better color grading.
These colors, they need to be punched up.
And of course, it's gotta have a good logo animation.
It's exactly where you want to be.